So you stumbled across my 10th YouTube channel. Background is a bit ugly, but that's intentional. The first rule of a successful YouTuber is don't wait for what you don't have, start with what you have. Because if you keep waiting, if you keep buying stuff, buying more gear, you will never start. I have a gear, but I don't have a nice place to start, so I just move flowers to this wall to start. So you may ask, dude, why do you need 10 YouTube channels? What is wrong with you? Did you fail 9 times or something? Well, not exactly. But I will tell you what was wrong with my 9 attempts. Half of them I got monetized, by the way, so it's not the monetization issue or whatever. It was the lack of strategy, the lack of direction. So my initial idea every time was, okay, I should get monetized, I should get 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours, and get that sweet paycheck from Google AdSense. And only now, only 10 years after I uploaded my first video, I realized that that idea is completely wrong. Bear with me to find out why. And as it always happens, as soon as I started editing the video, I realized that my mic turned off and the half of whatever I said is gone. So what should an experienced YouTuber do? Ignore it and keep going. There's no daylight anymore, so I'm gonna continue in this room. You might ask me, dude, why do you need 10 YouTube channels? Are you crazy? Is anything wrong with you? And actually not. Yes, this is my 10th YouTube channel, and I even monetized half of channels that I ever created. My first video I uploaded more than 10 years ago. But I realized that I was doing something wrong, guys. I was doing something wrong. In everything I was doing before, I didn't have any monetizing strategy. So my monetizing strategy basically was hoping for millions of views and get money from AdSense. And this is a very bad strategy actually, because if you're doing like this, you're competing with millions of other creators. And if you think about it, the population of the earth is finite, so 8 point something billion people, and if each person has like 3-4 hours per day they can watch YouTube, this means the number of hours for all the creators, the whole pool of creators, is finite. And this also means that not so many creators can get millions of views. And for each 1000 views, YouTube pays you from like 50 cents to $10, sometimes more. I personally never got anything more than probably $3.5 for 1000 views, which got me thinking, like, wait a minute, why would I compete in this red ocean? If you read the book Blue Ocean, you know what I mean. Why don't I make a strategy first? And this is how this project, My Business Is Me, was born. So I decided, okay, what do I have? What a unique advantage do I have? I have my own experiences, and I have my own ideas that I can share. And not so many people tried and failed and tried again to make new YouTube channels 10 times. I don't know, 10th is the lucky one or not, but this time I have a strategy. I decided to do everything very intentional. So this channel is not designed to get monetized by YouTube. I will not wait for 1000 subscribers, 4000 hours, or whatever strange threshold I have to pass again. It's actually a very strange idea to me that since I already proved that I can do it with one channel. Why should I start all over again every time? But monetization by Google AdSense is not the strategy for me anymore. I decided to make this a niche project for people who are interested in monetizing their skills and making money from everywhere. So this is the unique skill that I possess. After trying so many times, I tried YouTube, I tried some journalism projects, I tried some other social media. I teach my wife how to do that. She grew her Facebook page to over 100,000 followers, her YouTube channel to over 50,000, and actually, to be honest, my biggest channel was 22,000 subscribers. So I'm not that big, but I have my unique vision and I can share it here. It's strange how people always need to clean up or speak with each other when you just need 10 minutes of silence for a video. Well, if you tried making content, you know what I'm talking about. So why is AdSense approach completely wrong? If you tried creating content for social media, especially for YouTube, you will know that the payment for the views is extremely low. Depending on your audience, mostly their geographic location and language, you will get from 50 cents to 10, sometimes $20 CPM for 1,000 views for long form videos. I tried shorts too, I tried live streams. To my surprise, live streams are earning more with donations than YouTube is paying for your real videos that you need to edit. So I decided, wait a minute. If I need to attract like 1,000 people, can you imagine 1,000 people? It's an abstract if you're talking to your camera, but actually at different points of time, many thousands of people are watching your videos. It's like the whole stadium. So imagine you're a singer or something, and you sold tickets for the whole stadium. How much money should you bring back home? $100,000, $1 million? But no, if you bring the whole stadium to your YouTube video, sometimes you get like $5, $20, and what can you buy with 20 bucks? So this idea is completely wrong, because to earn real money, like a minimum wage in a Western country, you really need to bring millions of views to your videos. And this means videos always have to be mass market. And you cannot talk about what you're really passionate about. You cannot go to deeper topics because this will not be popular. You will not get the views to earn enough money. And I tried and I tried and I tried. I tried different niches, different approaches, even different languages. Me and my wife have channels with 3 languages basically. So it didn't work. Her biggest channel, I think in Facebook, is like 120,000 people subscribed. Her biggest channel on YouTube is 55 or something. My biggest channel on YouTube is 22,000. And we don't really earn anything from ads. It's never enough even for living. So lately I calculated what I'm earning, and mostly I'm earning money with different approaches like affiliate marketing or TTS donations on live stream. So I decided, wait a minute, why am I keep doing this? Why am I keep chasing AdSense revenue? The approach is dead. To compete with all content creators all over the world, it's a dead end. It's a dead end, guys. I read a study that in Brazil, 250 million population, so half of that population consider themselves content creators nowadays. Isn't that crazy? So if every second person is a content creator, then who is watching? People don't have time to watch. They only create content themselves. So I realized that all people who really make money from their social media, they niche down. They don't have huge audiences. They don't attract stadiums. So the question is, would you rather attract 1 million people for your short with funny cats? Or would you rather be a business speaker on a conference with like 300, 400 people? Because what you get with 1 million views, 1 million is crazy. You get about $20 for 1 million view short on YouTube with your funny cats. And what is your product? What can you sell? Who's going to be your client with funny cats, right? But if your topic is business, if your topic is somewhat monetizable, then everything changes. So I decided to create this dance channel. Basically with my talking head style videos. You see no background. This is the wall of my house. A couple of flowers I just found. So why not? Why not make a specialized attempt with a narrow direction? I don't want 1 million subscribers on this channel. What I want is to make money from what I'm doing. And I'm gonna show you how I'm making money from what I'm doing. So this channel will be specialized on affiliate marketing and selling digital products in the future, I guess. And today I'm uploading my first video to this channel. Today is November 4th, 2024. And I wonder, will I make any money from it till New Year? So basically 50, 55, 56 days, less than 2 months. Subscribe to find out. I'm making a challenge. I think I should make my first money from this brand new channel with 0 videos before New Year. The topic of this channel is the idea that I realized that my business is me. So what is that? What is my business is me, your business is you? So each person has unique experiences, and each person has unique set of problems that he or she fixed in life. And when you attract people to your channel who have these problems, and you show the solutions you implemented in the past, they're like, wow, oh, that helped, that was helpful. And they stay, they subscribe. And later, when you offer more solutions to their bigger problems, they may pay you. So that's called monetizable content. And that's my approach, that's my direction. And the beauty of this is I can do it from anywhere. So what I have here is my phone. I'm talking to my phone camera. I do have a microphone, but I don't really need it. So basically all you need for this type of business is your phone. And you can do it from anywhere, from any country. And this is what I'm gonna talk about in this channel. Okay, let me give you a more specific example how to monetize your content. You may notice that many YouTubers, many content creators, they utilize some links in the description of their videos. And not so many people read the description. But when I talk about, hey, go down into the description, I have some product that emphasizes this topic and can help you fix your problems. Yeah, some people will be interested. So I decided, okay, remember the example about business conference. So this is my first video at this channel, and not so many people will watch. But anyway, I can use it as a vehicle to grow my business. And what is my business? My business is helping people to work from anywhere, to build their own businesses. And what is the best niche? The best niche is of course online education. And before, online education was so difficult, like you needed to launch your own website, buy hosting, set up WordPress, CMS or whatever, set up payments. Now you don't need any of this. Now there's a new platform called School, and they give 14 days free trial. It's backed by famous YouTuber slash entrepreneur Alex Harmozy. So this platform offers you the whole solution. Like, you can host your course, you can host your community, you can speak with people that you providing some information to, and you can start your business basically without any expenses. Just drive traffic from your social media. And how to do this? Just like this, I'm holding a camera, I'm talking about this. Just go look how to do this in the description. I have a link. You go by the link, you register, you test it out for yourself, and if you like it, it's just $99 per month. So think about it. You can launch your own business and your yearly expenses will be about $1,000. Not every business you can start with just $1,000 per year. There's no limit. There's no limit for the money you can earn. Like, you can launch a community with $30, $50 per month, and if you manage to get 1,000 people interested, it's like already $30,000 or $50,000 per month that they paying to be in your community. And this niche is growing. People really paying for online education now, because universities are very expensive and they're not really giving you any guarantees to give you skills that you can monetize. And online education, person to person, through online platforms, this niche is growing. So that's what I decided to promote. Go check it yourself. I'll try to post a video every day, and we will see how the challenge is going. So subscribe to see how I earn my first money from my 10th YouTube channel.